video. Stop it. Buster free again.
Okay, give me a minute. Oh, you mixed it up pretty good.
So this is just to throw us off when he solves it in 30 seconds.
Exactly.
Right? Okay.
30.
30.
What exactly are you guys doing?
I'm memorizing it, and then I'm going to solve it behind my back.
You're going to have to explain that right before the video, okay?
Oh god, I can't talk while memorizing.
Oh, do you have a video camera there?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It'll take short videos.
Speaking of video, was that talk being recorded?
Don't think so.
No. Sad.
That guy last night had big problems with the guy who was doing the video.
Which one?
Oh, the entertainer.
Well, but most mentalists don't want their stuff given away.
How did he do those things? Did he memorize the...
All right, no talking. We're doing this.
What?
Oh, wow. Nice.
Whoa. Whoa.
How long did that take?
You're
Do you have a timer on that
beast.